Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Ali bin Zamri. Firstly, I'm going to introduce you guys to my team members that developed this website. Okay, first and foremost, this is our Commander-in-Chief of Panglima Tech, named Professional Technologist Sir Muhammad Zafian bin Muhammad Zawawi. Secondly is myself, Muhammad Ali bin Zamri. I am tasked as the head developer of Panglima Tech. Thirdly is Fairuz Izam Putri binti Fauzi as the head editor of Panglima Tech. Next is Nur Shuhada Nadira binti Aziz as the head of promotional of Panglima Tech. Besides that, we also have Rose Aizat Shahrazi bin Ros Nisham as the head of illustration of Panglima Tech. And last but not least, we have Muhammad Akil bin Abdul Hamid as the head of customer service. So at here, you can read what is processor precisely, the definition of processor, and also the history of processor.
Okay, our team decided to develop a website about processor is to give knowledge to people about the advantages of Intel Core i5 processor. Besides that, we also provide the limitation of Intel Core i5 processor in our website in order to give chances to people to evaluate the Intel Core i5 with details.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nusha Nadira. So the content of our website is about our team member in about us, processor definition and history, type of processor, advantages and limitations of Intel Core i5, the locations of processor, feature and component of processor, and also we provided a question to check the understanding of our visitors.
I also have created a Google Form for our assignment in order to check the efficiency of our website. And you can find the form at this button and click it. So this is the form that was created by me. As you can see the answer that I prepared. Okay, now close the form. Okay, so the lesson that we learned from our assignment at this time is that we can create our very own website for any purpose that we need, and we can also implement our teamwork for our website.
In conclusion, we hope that this website can fully answer your question regarding the Intel Core i5 processor. We will end it here, but before that, you can find our video by clicking here.